Hello and welcome to Cake. Today I'm making fudgy chocolate brownies. Since flour is not a big component of brownies, I've decided to make these gluten-free by substituting rice flour for regular flour. Let's go to the rest of the ingredients. I'm using 4 eggs, 1 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, about 2 sticks of butter, 1 cup of bittersweet chocolate, 1 3/4 cup of sugar, 3/4 of a cup of rice flour or alternatively regular flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. And in the end, I'm going to add a little bit of vanilla extract. I begin by combining butter and sugar in a pot and melting it on low temperature. In the meantime, I'm going to beat the eggs for about 30 seconds and then gradually add in the unsweetened cocoa powder. This is going to give me a rich, chocolatey consistency. I'm briefly going to stir the dry ingredients, so the rice flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. And now I'm essentially ready to combine all the ingredients. The butter-sugar mixture is also ready. The butter is completely melted and the sugar for the most part has dissolved. I'm just making sure that it's not too hot, that it's at about room temperature, a little bit warmer, and I'm just going to combine everything in my bowl. Giving it a quick mix, and then going in with a spatula to make sure I scrape all of the ingredients into the mixture. Finally, I add a little bit of vanilla extract to this and the bittersweet chocolate, and then I'm ready to bake this goodness. I'm baking my brownies in a baking frame set to 7 inches by 10 inches or about 17 centimeters by 25 centimeters, and my oven's preheated to 350 Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius, and this is going to go in there for about 28 minutes. I'm going to allow it to cool at room temperature for about an hour before removing it from the frame, cutting it into small portions, and enjoying my fudgy chocolate brownie. How rich does this look? Oh my God. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes and creative ideas. Thank you for watching. See you next time.